you add little but, you can make pink.
My.
Die zo volgen.
Depend on the amount. If you add more, you can make more.
Mo.
You can change this color from very simple thing. This is just iron. Iron. Like this color.
Oh, magic!
Ja, hoor eens even.
Light.
Lemon.
What will be? Green.
Orange.
Yellow.
Orange.
Well, very
Blue.
Yeah, that's fine. Hola.
Jij komt hier.
Maar kijk,
Okay? And this is a method long ago Buddhist monks used to dye their robes yellow color. And also saffron.
saffron is expensive.
You want more color?
Yes.
Green.
Color?
Help.
What will be?
White? Blue. I think white.
If you get this one, I'll make 5% off if you buy something.
Pink.
White.
Paars.
Purple, red.
And if you boil this on 20 to 30 minutes,
It's white. Blue.
I think I know what to look. Is it top
these are the
one?
basic
Yeah.
colors, primary colors. You can mix each other. You can make any color. After this, we are adding egg white, special clay, bee honey, making paste thicker. Then we are
Oh, I see
this is
the color.
from natural colors.
Yeah.
From this, we have to paint 5-6 times because it absorbs the heat. Okay? You can see the difference. Chemical colors, it shine. You can feel it also. If you touch, you can feel it. This one never guaranteed. This is foil. And this is the method long ago. The Srigiri, Dambulla and all temples, Temple of Truth, they use colors. That's why it still remains. It takes time and a little bit expensive these colors, but fine.
Nice.
Come inside, we have a lot of things. Okay? And I tell you, we are making